In this video, you will learn about properties and definitions of mixtures, which include solutions, colloids and emulsions. Orange crystals of potassium dichromate are mixed with water to form a homogeneous mixture, a solution of aqueous potassium dichromate. Solutions are homogeneous mixtures composed of a solvent and a solute. Solvents are the medium in which the other components of a solution are dissolved, and aqueous solutions are solutions in which water is the solvent. Solutes are the components of a solution that are typically present at a much lower concentration than the solvent. Properties of solutions include: they are homogeneous. After a solution is mixed, it has the same composition at all points throughout. Its composition is uniform. The physical state of a solution, solid, liquid, or gas, is typically the same as that of the solvent. The components of a solution are dispersed on a molecular scale. They consist of a mixture of separated solute particles, molecules, atoms, and/or ions, each closely surrounded by solvent species. The dissolved solute in a solution will not settle out or break from the solvent. The composition of a solution, or the concentrations of its components, can be varied continuously. Take a few seconds to review the quick recap of the properties of solutions. A liquid mixture is when one or more substances, solutes, are mixed with a liquid solvent. If those substances completely dissolve into the solvent to form a homogeneous mixture, the mixture is a solution. However, if the solutes do not dissolve, but are dispersed in the liquid, then the mixture is either a suspension or a colloid. Suspensions, on the other hand, are heterogeneous mixtures, and composed of relatively large particles that are visible, or that can be seen with a magnifying glass. They are cloudy, and the suspended particles settle out after mixing. For example, mud is a suspension that is cloudy and its particles will settle. And finally, another class of mixtures called colloids, or colloidal dispersions, exhibit properties intermediate between those of suspensions and solutions. The particles in a colloid are larger than most simple molecules. However, colloidal particles are small enough that they do not settle out upon standing. Colloids are often opaque, or not see-through. Milk is a good example of a colloid.